Hi there, this is Mountain Home Pastor, and I'm going to hopefully show you successfully how to set up an account with the Adventist Learning Community. This is not my real name or my real email, but you will see what I'm up to. I am using the Chrome browser, not because I love Google, but because Chrome seems to be the browser that works when no other browser works. I'm going to open a new tab. And there we go. Go to AdventistLearningCommunity.org. So pulling that up, I don't have any previous use of this particular browser entry so that I can just start fresh. I'm going to agree and proceed to accept those cookies. Going over here to where it says sign up in the top right corner and create account. So let's see. I'm going to call myself MH Pastor. My email is mountainhomepastor@gmail.com. And I'm going to put in a strong password. Again, this is not my real information, so don't try to steal this because there's nothing there. Now, even though I'm going by that name, I am not going to put that I'm an employee because I want to show you how to do it, okay? And I'm guessing this video is being watched by people who are not employees. So no, continue. I don't need to upload a photo. It says, please confirm your email address. Okay, I'll hit start exploring. In the meantime, I'm going to go back here to Gmail, to my account there. While I'm in Gmail here, I go to this new one from the Adventist Learning Community. I'm clicking on this. I am going to click on verify email. That way they'll know that it's really me. I like to stay signed in since this is my personal computer. We'll see how we do. All right, now this is the second tab. It automatically opened a new tab when I clicked on the verification. But here we are. And now you should be able to click through the different courses that are available. A lot of these are just featured for now, but you can search. There are lots of resources right now, because this is what I'm thinking about. I'm going to put in how to lead a church board. That's how you know this is what was not AI. It's because I made a mistake. All right, how to lead a church board. There's several different board options, training here, but the very first one here is how to lead a church board. And there it is. Enroll in this course, confirm. Skip Bell's a fine professor and resource guy. And now that you're in here, you should be able to watch the videos and go through, let's see, here's the next, and kind of explore the classes. That's how to set up your ALC, Adventist Learning Community account. Blessings. Have fun. Hope you learn a lot.